Hey guys, Denny here, Partey. So I was just thinking, what is it that I could do to give back to my subscribers for their support over the past year for Christmas this year? So I got to thinking about it, and I figured that probably the best gift I could give you is a free gift, right? Free gift of a blue projection screen. So this is a first cut, really a first pass. I took about 10 minutes this morning, less than 10 minutes actually, it was just a little over 9, to put this together, dry it, and then present it here in the display. So when I show you the panel, I'll be showing the panel here in just a few, but when I show you the panel, what you're going to see is it looks a little rough on the roll. So I'm going to spend probably about another 10 minutes this evening to refine the roll, get my concentrations right, and then I'll be sharing with you guys the recipe for this. And there you can see where, for one, I used the old roller again, shouldn't have, but also I had my concentrations a little off, so I'm going to update that, and then I'll show you how you can get this blue screen. And you can see the yellows and the reds showed up in the display. And you'll see how blue. I was just kind of moving it around so you can see it on the panel. But when I set the panel down, you'll see just how blue that panel is. And like I said, we'll refine the components. And I'll have an upload probably tomorrow morning. There you go. You can see how blue the panel is. And I'll have an upload for you tomorrow, so you can see that we also have codes. That's my way of saying Merry Christmas to you. So tomorrow,